What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can tell, we are finally getting back on our Larry content. I have seen y'all in the comments asking, where is Larry? Well, I've been trying to secure a tire deal, so I've been holding off on posting anything with this truck, but I finally got it done, and they're actually going to get delivered today, which I am stoked on. I can't wait to show them to y'all and get them on this truck. It's going to look so freaking good. But Larry is honestly pretty neglected right now. I haven't driven it since the windshield video, which has been about a month now, right? So Larry is filthy, covered in dust and rain and grass trimmings and all kinds of stuff. It's just absolutely filthy. So we gotta get this thing spit shined up in preparation for a lot more content coming very soon. So with that said, maybe a little ASMR truck detail style. Let's give it a shot. Clean, we can continue with this. I'm gonna be honest, I doubt any of that was even like cool ASMR stuff. Like I was thinking in my head like cool shots of washing it or whatever, and yet you hear like the nice quiet like suds dropping on the ground. I don't even know, man. Between the birds, the cicadas, the wind, the AC, I probably just put music over it and called it a day. Larry is spit shine though, looking oh so good. Now before we hit the road, I'm gonna go ahead and check all of Larry's fluids just to make sure it didn't randomly spring a leak and lose all of its oil while it's been sitting, and then I'm just gonna be waiting for a text and we're gonna go pick up our tires. Holy crap, these things are freaking sick. We're about to have Larry for real squatting. Come on, Larry. Yeah. All right, we got to get out and check out Larry Bear toting all 8 of these freaking tires. For those that hate the squat, just know we got our factory shackles coming, so we're not going to be on the drop shackles. Getting those out of there, so we're going to level her out. Yeah. Let's get back to the farm. I'll tell you more about them. So I'm excited to announce that we did partner up with Kumho Tires. They actually sent us out 2 different sets, one for Larry and one for a future project. But today's video is all about Larry, so let's go ahead and check out the ones that are going to be going on here. This is the Kumo Road Venture MT71s 37 1350 22. Our second set of 37s on the channel. Larry deserves some big boys, and these things look absolutely killer. Let's actually get a close-up of them and then talk more about it. 37 1350 22. Good looking sidewall, awesome main lugs, super aggressive, very deep tread. Road Venture MT71. These are going to be a light truck SUV tire, so F-150s, Silverados, Sierras, Ram, Tahoes, Yukons, all that stuff in the 1500 class or lighter. It's going to be perfect, and this is going to look, it's going to look so freaking killer. Larry has deserved a big tire for a long time. Let's actually get them out and put them up next to it just to see how huge they're going to be. Dude, oh my gosh, yes, it is going to look so freaking good. I cannot wait. Now, you might be wondering, what wheels are we going to be putting these on? Well, that might be up to y'all. Definitely leave me some feedback of what you would like to see on here. But I think I have a good idea of what I want to do that I think is going to optimize content and just give a freaking awesome look. So our other tires that we got are actually the same thing, MT71s, but these are 35, 1250, 20. So a little bit smaller, but I think they're going to go perfect on a different project, maybe close to home. We'll have to see more details on that later. Either way, I am super excited. Working with Kumo is going to be awesome. These tires look sick, and I think it's really going to point us in the right direction with Larry. I mean, look at that right there, dude. Oh my gosh, Larry, you've been needing this for a long time, and I've been working on it, boy. So we finally making it happen. I am stoked. Hopefully y'all are as well.
Oh, dang.
Check them out, bro. That thing's tall as you. Straight in.
Keep it steady.
Okay, I got you, bro.
Oh, dang. This is my whole body.
We can really roll you. Here we go.
Ah.
You gonna hang on?
Yeah. I could stay in this all day.
You think so? These are going on Lair Bear.
For real?
Yeah.
Dang, this is gonna be cool.
That's what I'm saying.
Yay, now we can go off-roading.
Exactly, bro. He knows. All right, sign us off, dude.